Hello everyone, welcome to my quilling tutorial. Okay, today I'm gonna be showing you how to make this quilling leaf using the husking technique, which is super easy. Let's get started. Okay, this time around I won't be using shredded papers anymore. Instead, I'm using this quilling papers that I cut myself, but it's a bit wider than the ones I've used before because this one is 5 mm wide, so the length is still the same like the usual shredded papers I've used before, which is 297 mm. So the width is now 5 mm. Okay, that's the only difference. I cut it with a razor blade, so the edges are much smoother compared to the shredded ones. Alright, let's get started. You'll be needing a quilling comb, but if you don't have one, then you have to really measure the starting point, because if you want to get the same size, that's when it's important to have the the center part of the paper the same length, and that is why this thing is so important to have, because the starting point here will determine the size of each petal. I'm sorry, the size of each leaf. We're not making flowers here, we're making leaves, Lynn. Okay, but this design, if you use pink or colors of flowers, you can turn them into a flower. If you look at here, if I join them all together, you can still make a really cute flower here using this technique. There. Oh, where's the other one? Don't have another color. Anyway, yeah, let's see that this is the same color. See the shape of a flower. So you can use this technique to make quilling leaves like this or flowers. Alright, so to start, I'm sliding it through number 4, pin number 4, so to get this particular size. Okay, so if you want the leaves to be bigger, so you have to use bigger numbers then. Okay, like that, and you just slide off. So this is the only time you'll be using the quilling comb. From now onwards, just your fingers to fold it like that. So this is the center, so you need 3 more folds on the right side and 3 more folds on the left. Now we wrap it. Okay, so you make any color of leaves that you like. Make lots and lots of them like I have here. To make the center part here that will hold all the leaves, the stem there, it's very simple. You just need one of these strips. Choose any color you like. Fold it in half. Okay, we'll be using both of this. Fold one in half again. And the other, do the same thing. Okay. Now put some glue. Okay, now we can glue them together. And then we shape it a bit because I don't want the stem to be too straight. Okay, like that. Now the fun part where we can decorate it. Start arranging, the leaves. This is how I do it, but you can arrange any color that you prefer. Alright, there it is. So don't lift it up yet, you have to wait for it to dry first before you can lift it up like this. So I hope you will give this a try. It's not that difficult, right? So have fun quilling till we meet again. Bye.